So I just finished a book called Listen to the Squawking Chicken. When a Mother Knows Best, What's a Daughter to Do? By Lainey Lui, who's best known for being a gossip columnist. And she's on The Social, and I absolutely love that show. Full disclosure. And I decided to read it. She mentioned it on the show. I think it was last week. She mentioned that she had written a book, and I really feel a kindred to her. There's a lot of things that she says and does that I feel the exact same way. I'm not a hugger either. And so I was really curious to see her background. And so I got her book. And I have to admit, it made me cry a couple times because I lost my mom quite a while ago. So I've got mom issues. So reading it really kind of took me back to that. But I think the most of what I took away from it was seeing another culture. I'm North American. I was, my family's been here. I couldn't tell you how long. So seeing how she was raised and the Chinese culture was really, really interesting. Like, there were times where I'm just like, her mother said what? Her mother did what? What? Oh my, and I was mortified for her. And it reminded me, because I guess her mom used shame a lot. She shamed her. And it sounds worse than it is, which is why I actually highly recommend you read the book, because I can't do it justice. But I remember growing up, for me, the worst thing was disappointing my mother. And I think that I can kind of understand how she feels. It was funny. It was sad in places. Her mother, I would love to meet her mother, but her mother terrifies me. So, if you get a chance, even for the, being able to see into another culture from that person's perspective, and from her perspective, she was raised, she's Canadian. She was raised here. So, her view inside how her mother raised her, like her view of that is really interesting. Like, I found it really, really interesting. And, I just have to say that I'm glad her mother didn't give birth to a piece of pork. I'm glad she's here. And, her TED Talk was amazing, and she's brilliant, and she's inspiring. And, I think, she makes the world a better place. So the Squawking Chicken did an amazing job, and this is an amazing book. I highly recommend you pick it up and give it a read. And thanks.